Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's just jump right into how I got this simple makeup look. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Adera'sView. Today I will be doing a light makeup tutorial using Mented Cosmetics, Makeup Revolution, and NYX. All the product descriptions will be linked down below. There were several other products that I use that I'll just put in the description box. So first I'm going to take my primer, because you know I can't walk around with a dry face. So take my primer. I do like this primer, but sometimes my face gets really oily just with any primer. But anyways, so I take the foundation stick and that is also the blush I am holding up. So Mented Cosmetics, I do enjoy the foundation stick. Their website made it kind of easy to match your complexion. I bought it online and I just kind of guessed. I have a yellow undertone, so that's what I kind of went with. This is a light to medium coverage. So I did wet my sponge a little bit. I'm gonna take that, just dab. I wanted to do a light kind of makeup tutorial. I didn't want to do a dramatic. This is just if I'm going out. I'm not a makeup expert, but I do enjoy doing makeup and just learning about it. So the fall time is coming and I am starting to get a little lighter, but this one I think is close to my shade. I'm 3 different colors. If you're brown, you definitely know the struggle. But yeah, anyway, so that is actually, so that's Juvias Place foundation, and that is the one that's actually, I use that in the summer, so it's a little darker. You can't really see on camera, but I'm going to use that as a kind of contour. So Juvias Place is definitely a heavier coverage, but yeah. The only thing with Juvias Place, it had more of a red undertone, so that's why I like Mented Cosmetics. They had different types of undertones. And now I'm just going to use my other Pro Filter contour. It's in a darker shade. I am almost out of it. So I'm just going to I'm just going to contour my nose, my cheeks, my forehead. And now I will be using the Makeup Revolution baking powder. I absolutely love this. I bought it at TJ Maxx. It was on sale for I think $4 or $8. I think it was $8. So I'm just gonna take that and put that all in my T-zone, because that is where I get the most oiliest. I feel like most people get oily there, especially by my corners of my nose and cheek area and my forehead. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna do my brows. So with my brows, please don't come for me. I am not a thick block brow person. There is nothing wrong with it, but that's just not me. I prefer my eyebrows a 90s kind of super thin and arched. My actual eyebrows grow in really full, but I always shave them or cut them off, and right now I can't really go to get them threaded, so I just kind of do it myself, and it's actually worked to get a little fuller. I was in a rush, so I just did it really thin for the purpose of this video. And yeah, so this eyebrow gel, I love it. It's a lighter kind of brown, which is what I enjoy, because so I did use the Anastasia brow gel before for the past 2 years, and it was just always so dark no matter how light I put it on. But anyways, so I like this lighter brow gel. And now I am taking I was trying to decide between the Morphe and the NYX contour cream. I think I chose the NYX one. Yes, and I actually like the NYX one because it's more of a yellow. I just do that to highlight under my eyebrows and then on top of my eyelids, because a lot of times, despite concealer being on your eyelids is best for the long wear of eyeshadow, I do have kind of raccoon eyes sometimes, so I do have dark circles, but yeah, I mean, who doesn't? It's either puffy eyes or dark circles, and I have raccoon eyes. I'm putting it on, and now we're picking up the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just trying to figure out which colors. I think that's the hardest part. It's kind of like, I don't know. I always choose the same colors. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I would like to do something fun, and now that fall is here, you know, it's more of the darker makeup colors, which I do love. I'm one of those people that loves dark lip colors, etc. So yeah. Cheeks, so I actually have been liking doing that. I don't know, it just adds a little kind of difference. Now with this mascara, I was recommended, I think, by one of my friends. I absolutely love the wand. It kind of just hugs the lashes, especially like now. It looks like I don't have any lashes because I just took off strip lashes, so just kind of rip them off. But for now, like, it'll do. And I just like how the wand just hugs them. So the Makeup Revolution palette, I did get this at TJ Maxx as well for a good price. I'm taking the gold highlighter. This is one of the two in there that works good for me. There are two that kind of make me look ashy. It's too light for my complexion, so yeah, I took the gold one. And I think after that, I just sprayed it off with the Dewy finishing spray. Kind of do like an ombre. I couldn't find my MAC chestnut lip pencil, so I had to use these two colors. And then I just used the Mented. Thanks so much for watching. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is my first makeup tutorial. I was so happy filming this video. I had so much fun. Once again, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.